What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go do a quick review of, see if I can get this up close, the Milwaukee red stick lever with pinpoint measurement technology. So basically it's a digital level. One cool thing about it, digital levels aren't really my thing, is that you have, which I'll show you, you read out here, but on the top, it doesn't show you, but when you, on the top side of it, you can also see it. So when the level's down, you don't have to look at the side of the level. So, quick go over it. It comes with this nice carrying case. I know a lot of carpenters, a lot of guys, are probably not going to carry it around in this case. Most of my cases either get piled up and then I throw them out when I need room. So, I mean, it's cool, I guess, if you want to keep it in there. It has a pocket here, which I have the USB charger in. Make sure it's a little closer what it comes with. Just a I don't know if that's going to zoom in. See it better there. Typical, just like your phone charger, if you have this style. And just plug these two together, and you're good to charge it. There's not much else to it. Here is the level itself. It's got some weight to it. This is the 24-inch version. So you have your display here, and what I was talking about, you also have the display on the top there. It comes with a rechargeable battery. This is my first Milwaukee tool that has something that goes in here. And here's your USB port right there. But we'll take the battery out so you can take a look at it. Hit there. It's pretty small, compact. And it just, sorry if this isn't great, fits right in. Now there's a slot. You can see that, so it only goes in one way, and there's an arrow right there that matches up. So slide that in. Oh, there we go. Sorry about the glare. There's the on button. So yeah, there we go. Got rid of the glare. Goes through its little initializing. And it's set up for degrees now. You can also, you can go to angle, you can go to percent, you can go inches, so it'll show you your angle in inches, and also you can go if you want metric. I was saying before on the top, so if you have this down, you can look at it. If you're doing like a grade on some kind of concrete work or something, it's probably where most people would use it. Let me switch back to inches. All right, I'm going to go back to degree, set angle. So it's right there. Pretty straightforward. And then you can also set, with this, if you have angles that you use all the time, you can set them. I have one, so you can just switch back to them. And there's also a feature on here, let's see, where you can turn the sound off and on. Set your tolerance, and I'm going to put the sound on. So if you have hear that? And then until you get to what your set angle is. See if I can get there, just by messing around. One other thing on the top when you're, whoop, I don't know if you can see that on there. Yeah, let me reposition this to make it a little easier for you to see it. There, see right here. So that's like a fine tune. So you can see this isn't 100% level. I have it in the degree setting, so it's 0.14 degrees or 0.17 degrees off level. Which my miter saw station is adjustable. I have galvanized hex bolts in the bottom in the T-nuts, so I can adjust them to get it perfect. But as anything, it was level, but when you put stuff in it and it settles, it's going to change. So, I mean, it's it's kind of cool. I prefer manual myself. I got this. I have a lot of Milwaukee stuff, so it was in last month's Siege program, so I wanted to check it out and try. It's cool, I guess. For me, I probably won't use it, but I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that this application will work. So not everything I get I love. It works. It does exactly what it said it can do. What it will do. Here's the actual box, and tells you what it does. Some things I prefer to be simple. My shop, I have a decent amount of tools, different things, different brands. Rigid's not a really big name brand, but I do have a rigid drill press and a rigid sander. They work fine. I got some jet stuff, Powermatic. So I have a good mix of different stuff. Jessam, DeWalt router in there. So I try a lot of different things. This is a cool thing to have, but I really don't see myself using it. So if you're going to buy a level, I would say get a manual one. That's just me. I hope seeing this helps you out a little bit if you're trying to make a decision. Let me change this back to the 100th. All right. There we go. So now I'm down to 0.07. So it's almost there. Anyway, that's it. That's the Milwaukee Red Stick level with pinpoint measuring technology. It's rechargeable, USB. I hope this helped you out.